What's up, guys? So I had a pretty good day today. Took a couple trades. Shopify was gapped up like a lot of these stocks. I think it's a lot to do with just sympathy play until people realize that the economy isn't as good as it is. Here at Shop, I took this a small tester size here on the short side right at R4. It popped above that, but because it was so distended that at R5 I added in an additional size, and then on the drop I basically got out at VWAP. So that was my trade on Shop. Didn't really make much money on that. Similar situation here with BABA, tester size here. As it hit the new level where I felt like it was distended, I went back in, added more. On the drop towards VWAP, that's where I got out. So that was my play on BABA. Let's see here, PDD. PDD is like super distended. It's like way above all the Camarilla pivots. So if you look at this, it's like way up here. So I started to scout into the position, went full size at around this area. On the drop, as it got closer back to R6, that's when I got out. So that was my play on PDD. Disney was just a quick scalp. It popped up back to where it was, close to pre-market levels. I took on the short side on the drop. This is a pretty significant drop. It dropped, kind of held this level of support, the SMA, and then I got out there. But as you see, right after I got out, it was just chopping around for a bit, and then it dropped. Now it went all the way down by a few points down to 119. But I would not have been able to hold through this. It just jigsawed right across here for about an hour and a half before the drop just now. So that's Disney. BYND is very, very distended. It keeps going up for the last couple of days. So I took it for a short today. Tester size here as it went way above R6. That's when I went full size, and then I got all out as it came back down to R6. And this is where it's finding the level of support again. But again, BYND is a piece of shit stock. It's been losing money. I don't even know why it's going up. Earnings were bad. So it's BYND. First Solar is holding this level. Took on the short side on the drop. I basically got out as it tried to make a green to red day. It didn't really succeed. It did go through a bit, and then it went back up. So that was my trade on First Solar. ROKU was running really up. I looked at, this is really my entry was based on level 2. I saw that on level 2 it was starting to the bids were starting to come in lower and lower, so I went in, took fairly small size actually, but this is a pretty big move just because of how distended it is. This is almost like a point. This is actually over a point. I covered as we get close to the level of support. DDOG I scalped a few times today. Again, this stock ran up. If you look at the daily chart, keeps going up. So here I think today was a day where people started to take profit. So pre-market high, when it got back close to pre-market high, took on a short side, dropped red to green to red. This is like a level of support for it, so I got out here. It popped back up. I went back in for a second run. It dropped. I didn't expect it to go as close as this, so I just got out. As it made a bit over a point move here. So that was it. Those are my trades for the day. Hope you guys do well, and peace out.